How to fix threads lag on iPhone. Hello guys, if you want to fix threads lag on iPhone, first step, click settings, click apps and notifications, click apps and wait a second for loading, and scroll down and click your app threads here, click force stop, and click storage, click clear data and click clear cache. After these steps, don't forget to restart your phone. After restart your phone, don't forget turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on your Wi-Fi. So don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.